This is Privet.
I don't know which is uglier. I'll leave you to decide on that. But be kind to me.
on Friday, we do all Ilkeston, all the shops get together.
Yeah.
They all dressed up, bring loads of toffees, and we have thousands of kids from everywhere coming for Halloween.
Oh, brilliant.
So what I do, I'll take these, I'll put them outside, the animated. Jason will be outside, smoke machine will be outside, and it'll be a lovely display for them. And someone actually brings the Ghostbusters car as well.
Oh, right, okay. When's that? Next Friday?
Yeah, Halloween day.
What time? What time?
I think it starts from about 5 o'clock.
Oh, right.
Frightening.
I don't think I'm working Friday, so I might pop over to that.
It's frightening how many kids there is.
It's off again. What's it called, or she? What's it?
Reaper.
Happy couple there. I'm on the way to the fair in Ilkeston, and there was a lady standing outside this this place. I didn't even know it was a bar, and well, her name's Tracy. Just look at this place. Tracy, brilliant to meet you. What's this on the wall here?
Oh, well, this is Fred West's spade.
Oh, Fred West.
Fred West, yeah, do you remember?
Yeah.
Yes, as you
I know he's done a few burials with that, hasn't it?
Oh, he has, definitely. He's even signed it for me, you know.
He has, yeah. Good old friend. And what have we got around here, Tracy?
So, we have the horror images, and the whole idea of this is sit down and you can be photos up with him.
What was the idea of the pub then?
I just love horror.
You love horror?
Yeah, I just love horror films. I've got my tattooed up my sleeve.
So you're turning it into sort of a horror themed?
Yeah, it's horror movies.
Horror movies, okay.
Yeah, so we're going for the movie side.
So do you want to talk me around what we've got here then? What's this? So
this is the Halloween bit. It's just a bit of a display.
Yeah.
We will eventually be doing a cemetery here. It's going to have
cemetery.
Yeah.
So a pub with its own cemetery.
Yeah, oh, definitely.
Brilliant. Yeah.
Headstones.
Headstones. Yeah.
There. We've got our little chucker. I've just got to get a pillar now for my gargoyle.
Yeah, you need a pillar for that.
Oh, definitely.
Oh, this is handy, isn't it? Because it's Halloween.
It's fell down for some
Halloween in the pipeline.
Okay. And we've got in loving memory of. So we're going to put Candyman at the bottom.
Right.
Because we can't think of many horror people that have actually died.
Oh, right. Peter Cushing, is he still alive?
I'll tell you a story about Peter Cushing. So let's talk about Peter Cushing.
Peter Cushing, yeah.
Well, my cousin got me into horror many years ago.
Yeah.
And we were a big fan of Christopher Lee, Peter Cushing, and the other one. So he went to auction and bought his passport. So that is actually, you can see the stamp on it.
Yeah.
That's a copy of his original passport.
Okay.
So then we carry on with the other three. There's the three greatest.
Yeah.
So these are just Halloween, so these will be coming down.
Yeah.
And then over here, we've got Dead Sheeran, bless him. So there's our Dead Sheeran.
Yeah.
And we've got the Haunted Dolls, and we've got the films The Exorcist, Wednesday, Time to Float. They actually moved, She Follows You. So that's quite interesting. Then we've got the old Chucky dolls, Annabelle. And then even people were doing drawings for me. So that was drawn for me. The Chucky and the Saw, the famous Lost Boys. We've got the newspaper cuttings over Jason and Freddy.
Oh yeah. So how long have you been into sort of horror?
Oh God, since I was 10. Since I was about 10 or something like that, yeah. So we've got some there. There we've actually got Nightmare on Elm Street. That's the first edition, and it's actually signed.
First edition.
Yeah. It's the first glove.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
Obviously, it's done quite a few films. That I bought many moons ago when the actual film came out, Freddie and Jason.
Yeah.
And then we've got the Talking Chuckies. And then we've got the ring coming out the wall. And then they had to kill someone because they didn't pay the bill. So we've got our little plug
if you don't pay your bill, this is what happens.
Oh yeah, definitely. And we've even got a sign saying it there, is it? We're tired of hiding bodies.
Yeah, tired of hiding bodies. Love it. Love it. So what's it called at the moment, the bar?
It's called Gladstonian Micropub.
Okay.
But we're trying to get with the council to call it Little Bar of Horrors.
Right, okay.
So now we've got a full-size saw, jigsaw.
Yeah.
Coffins for shelves, which is quite good. These Halloweens will go.
Have you got names for all these?
That's just Grimmer.
Grimmy, right. Yeah, looks a bit grim.
The Grim Reaper. Then we actually met Freddie Krueger.
Oh,
Me and our Freddy.
Yeah.
I went to horror convention.
Yeah.
So that was quite good.
I imagine they're quite popular, aren't they? Because there must be loads of,
there were thousands, absolutely.
like science fiction and that sort of thing.
Oh, I got addicted.
Thousands of people that are into.
There was. That's
horror.
What's created this as well, because it can be a tourist place.
Yeah.
And it's unbelievable how many people are actually into this sort of stuff. Yeah. So we've got an authenticated Nightmare on Elm Street.
Yeah.
Then we've got my little woman there looking over us.
Oh yeah.
We've got the Loki mask. And then we've got the 3D hologram fan, as you can see.
Yeah. I like that. Very clever.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
I know that's horror that's on that. You can't see many clowns, people are scared. It's brilliant now. I change it and update it as well.
Yeah, I'm going to get a shot of that in a minute from over there, yeah.
Then we've got Harry.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely brilliant.
Yeah.
We've got the little pops up there.
Yeah, he didn't say
and then
a lot,
we've got
does he?
him. Do you know what? He's not having no wages this week because he's done absolutely nothing, our Jason.
Has he not done anything?
He's lazy.
Lazy?
Yeah.
That's no good. So what, when do you normally open then, Tracy?
I open Thursday and Friday.
Yeah.
At 5 o'clock. Saturday 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
And then Sunday at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, yeah.
2 o'clock.
So sort of Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah, we'll just do the weekends.
Yeah. Well, it gives you a few days to bury the bodies, doesn't it?
But exactly, and I do it all on my own. So.
Customers that don't pay.
Oh, they love it.
Yeah, it all takes time, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does, Like I say, I've got my axe on, and
Yeah. You're on about the cemetery in the back there. Do you think you're going to bury them standing up so there's more room?
Do you know, that's a good idea.
Yeah, you need to dig a deeper hole, don't you, with Fred's spade?
That's what. Yeah, because I've got Fred's spade.
Yeah, you have.
Yeah, we're getting down with glasses. We're sort of haggling for these glasses at the moment. So yeah, absolutely brilliant.
Oh, brilliant to meet you.
Oh, lovely to meet you, sweetheart. Thank you very much.
Have you got any social media?
I am. We've got Facebook called Gladstonian.
Called the
Gladstonian Micropub.
Okay, I'll put that on the screen now.
Oh, and thank you very much.
In the description below.
Yeah, we offer horror parties as well.
Yeah, are you from Ilkeston then?
Manchester.
Oh, Manchester. Okay.
I moved up here 20 years ago.
Is it better rain down here than up there? Or don't we have as much?
It's terrible down there for rain.
Yeah, I know it is. I noticed you've got some police tape on there, Tracy.
Yeah, I got that off a friend.
Right.
Funny story is, last year, I done all my windows.
Yeah.
Police tape, put all blood coming down.
Yeah.
Sprayed fake blood on the bottom of my boots, walked across the zebra crossing.
Yeah.
And doorman come to me about 4 hours later, asked me if he had any customers. I said, no, it's a bit quiet. He said, no, because they're all talking about you in there, they think the police have shut your pub down. Honest to God, I had to put a sign up saying it's bloody Halloween. I should have won best dressed pub. I should have.
Saw this out of my peripheral vision and I keep thinking it's real. Take you a while for him to serve you though.
So this is my little baby.
That's your little baby?
Yeah, my long lost child. I just love the laughter. proper left of a real baby.
Yeah. It's a curious shape. It's a coffin lid, the table.
Yeah, actually it's a real one. An undertaker gave it my friend for a pub on Halloween.
Yeah.
And she knew it was converting into a horror film bar.
Yeah.
So she's given it me.
Yeah.
But the funny thing about this, I've got a little convertible. So you can imagine you can't get it in. Yeah. So I put the roof down and he had this big bloody coffin behind me. I got some stairs, so I got some laughters.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, brilliant.
I love it.
So I've just got to polish it up now. We've got a load of these downstairs. So I'm just going to give it a fresh coat.
Oh, yeah.
And then we're going to stick these down. I have to glue them though so they don't get stolen. Novelties.
Yeah, you need a horror themed beard really, don't you?
Definitely. I've seen some bottles I'm going to go with and that. So we've all just 6 months we've been doing it.
Yeah.
And that, and as you know, these chucky dolls and that cost a lot of money.
Yeah, they do.
So eventually, this time next year, it'll be absolutely amazing.
Yeah. Certainly different, because you got is the burnt pig still going round the corner?
Yeah, burnt pig's still going.
Did Simon get rid of it? Did he sell that? Simon and Leslie?
I think he rented it.
Oh, he rented it, right.
But I think they've just won a beer award.
Yeah, I think they have,
Yeah, they're nice people. I always recommend them. Because some people think we're real ale because we're called Micropub.
Yeah.
Well, we're not, we're just a small bar.
Yeah.
So this is why we're in procedures of changing the name.
Yeah.
Because I'm sort of losing out on customers for it.
So you tried real ales, Tracy, but they just wouldn't sell.
No, they don't sell.
So you had three pumps here.
I had 3 hand pumps here. The wastage was frightening, especially in this day and age.
Yeah.
So I've took them out, created more space.
Yeah.
But we do sell actually bottles.
Yeah. Well, that's good enough, isn't it?
Yeah, you can still get a drink.
Yeah, of course you can, yeah.
But if not, I recommend him to the burnt pig that is.
Yeah, burnt pigs.
Yeah, people mistaking it because it's a micro bar, it says.
Yeah.
But it actually means small bar.
Yeah, exactly.
So, yeah.
Tracy, what's this you just told me?
Well, I went in business with a partnership. It's an undertaker.
Undertaker, right, okay.
Which obviously goes with the pub.
Yeah.
He knows about undertaking, but he didn't know about football.
Right.
We're Nottingham Forest, this Ilkeston fan bag.
Yeah.
So what we've done, we've got together, we've bought an hearse.
Yeah.
And we've actually converted it for the beloved supporters of Nottingham Forest.
Right.
To have their final journey in.
Oh right, so it's a red hearse.
Yes, let me show you. So we have pictures here. So this is it driving. The attention we get.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
We've already done a funeral in it.
Okay.
The woman was absolutely over the moon.
Yeah.
So as you can see, the logo, the badges.
Brilliant.
And what we do as well as a lovely tree, at the back of the hearse, we'll put a registration plate with the deceased person with their name on it.
That's a nice touch.
And then when they're finished, we take it off and we hand it to them as a sentimental thing.
Oh, nice one.
Yeah, so if you see this knocking about, it's us.
So what's the company called then, the Undertakers? You've got to give them a plug.
Yeah, at the moment we're just calling it Nottingham Forest Funerals.
Oh right, Nottingham Forest Funerals. Okay.
Yeah, we've only just had it up and running this week. We had it done Saturday and we had a funeral Monday, our first funeral.
Oh, that's quick.
Yeah, definitely, which was so amazing.
Yeah.
And the attractions we get on it is unbelievable.
Did they find you then, the people, obviously,
Forest
fan?
Well, the Undertaker lives round here.
Yeah.
And he approached us.
Yeah.
I think he knew the family.
Yeah.
So I think they put it forward just a little bit.
Yeah.
To give us a couple of days extra so we could get the hearse up and running.
Yeah.
And absolutely delighted they was.
Brilliant.
So the final journey in the old supporters car, brilliant, absolutely brilliant.
And you can always maybe come back here for a drink afterwards.
Oh, they're always welcome here.